Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters. So it's minus 24 here outside and we will do some crazy experiment in Canada. So this is called water turned directly into the ice. So it's a hot water, you can see the steam is coming and we are gonna pour it in the air. और यहाँ जैसे ही मैं हवा में डालूंगा सारा कुछ आइस बन जाएगा. देखिए हॉट वाटर है ये. Let's see. See everywhere. Again. ये देखिए. Ice. Okay. Ice. The reason behind this effect is that when you boil the water, the mass of the water decreases. So ultimately, the molecules of the water gets diverged and it's separated. So this effect is called Mpemba effect, and when the hot water bring to the cooler temperature, it cools faster than the warm water. गर्म पानी अपनी घनता कम कर देता है, तो इसकी वजह से वो जल्द ही आइस में तब्दील हो जाता है. जितना ज़्यादा गर्म होगा उतना ज़्यादा कूल डाउन भी फास्टर होगा.